out here today with Northern Tool to promote girls that they can get in a trade, even if it's a man's trade.
Because women don't always put themselves forward or make a big fuss about themselves. So being here and seeing these young women and being able to hopefully give them an idea of, how those things happen. It's not lightning striking. Sometimes an opportunity presents, you're afraid, you're uncomfortable, you're not confident, but stepping into it is what matters. And so just the looks on their faces and the freshness and all the possibility there, that inspires me back.
Hey, I'm Jody Perewitz and I'm out here with Northern Tool at Sunset Speed for Tools of the Trade with these cool girls who are going to hopefully get into some trades.
My name is Dystany Spurlock and I am a motorcycle drag racer, and I also drive tractor trailers locally. And I am here because my favorite Northern Tools asked me to come out here because this year was a little different. We have all women here. So I feel like that's perfect for me.
Showing us how the old time bikes started and how they worked and how the pistons would move and stuff was pretty cool, interesting, and a lot of the women here are really inspiring, to be honest.
I hope that these women leave today with the thoughts of that they can do it. If they have a passion for something, regardless of whether it's a man industry or a female-dominated industry, if it's something they want to do, they should go and do it.
One of the coolest things of working in my experience in a Harley-Davidson dealership for over 30 years is I got to see so many different age groups. I got to see guys, girls, trying different positions in the dealership. But one of the coolest spots that I like to hang out in was the shop. And that's because that's where everyone got to get their stuff fixed.
You're hired, you're a natural.
This actually means so much to me because I have always been a hands-on person. Hear all of them and how great they're doing, it means so much to me because it shows you that I can be able to go out and I can be able to do that.